The Vortex skid steer stump grinder is equipped with high-strength alloy steel wheels and a high-torque radial piston motor. This accessory is designed to grind stumps faster and provide a better overall experience for the operator. The power of this Vortex skid steer tree stump grinder makes tree root removal simpler and faster than ever. The power of this Bobcat E50 excavator helps save labor and improve the productivity of gardeners and workers. It's amazing that the Komatsu PC210 excavator can remove up to 6 3-year-old tree stumps within 1 hour. With an opening of up to 75 centimeters, the Woodcracker R900 tree root scissors allows cutting many types of tree stumps of different sizes and hardness. The combination of the Hitachi 350 excavator and large CBI tree stump cutters creates an extremely impressive power in destroying tree stumps. With a capacity of 180 horsepower and a weight of up to 25 tons, the CAT 323 excavator makes handling tree roots simpler and more convenient than ever. With its large clamp, this excavator easily swallows these small and medium-sized trees. Not always successful. Despite careful preparation, this vehicle has still not been able to pull out this stubborn tree stump. They need further research to be processed. These machines really make me proud of the development of modern technology. Are you impressed with them? Please share your thoughts below in the comments. See you in the next video to see our great machines. It's great that the shark tooth separator on the 330 excavator can easily separate giant tree stumps. Amazing to witness the endless power of the Case 580K as it delivered powerful blows to tree trunks, shaking the green forest. This excavator needs to deal with a diseased tree. After tilling the soil in a circle around the tree collapsed after just one blow.
Gently, gently.
The wet clay soil was so heavy that the trees were glued to the ground. The CAT D3000 bulldozer is using its full power to clear these difficult trees, preparing them for forest road work. flat on the ground in just a blink of an eye. This excavator tried very hard to push down this tree, but unfortunately it fell but did not uproot. The tree is no longer intact. What needs to be done now is to handle the remaining tree roots. Tree felling excavators must usually be operated by people with specialized experience and skills, ensuring that the felling process is carried out safely and effectively. What needs to be done is to clear the large trees around this farm in just one day. For Cat 308, it doesn't matter. It was amazing. When they needed to remove trees to build a house, it was great thanks to this Cat D4 machine. It easily removed 2 large trees in about 5 minutes. The Deere 450J bulldozer is having difficulty pushing down the tree due to its complex root system and unfavorable location. But thanks to an experienced operator and strong power, the tree was finally brought down. It's unbelievable the power of the John Deere 450 bulldozer. With the ease of one push, it can turn huge trees from this giant tree. However, with a 268 horsepower engine and the support of a crane, the tree was finally brought down. Pulling down a tree like this requires a very long and sturdy rope to avoid the tree falling near the vehicle, endangering the operator. Machines don't always win. After several unsuccessful attempts, the chain was continuously pulled and broken. In the end, this high-end John Deere 6530 had to give up before the stubborn ash tree. Must find another way. But luckily, everyone is still safe. This Komatsu excavator has a great influence in the Amazon region. Look, with just one gentle push, the oak tree was on the ground. After struggling with the chain for a while, the car finally pulled down the large oak tree in Poland's extremely harsh weather. This tree is 4 to 5 ft in diameter and has a huge canopy over 50 ft that seems to swallow this Alice Chalmers bulldozer. But thanks to careful calculation and its strength, the machine dislodged the large root ball and safely. This appears to be 3 trees on one root. Yet the Volvo excavator puts great pressure on the tree, creating a huge pressure, shaking the entire tree from root to tip and causing the tree to fall quickly. Look, the John Deere 8530 machine can't seem to move while pulling machinery. However, their power also comes with dangers for both the environment and humans. Join us to learn about the terrifying power of these bulldozers through this video. It's amazing the leveling of the forests in South Texas with these 2-chain tractor D8 bulldozers. Wherever the giant chain went, it uprooted tree roots, quickly wiping out the forest in the blink of an eye. With a weight of nearly 4 tons, it still looks small compared to the giant chain. The operator of this D8 bulldozer must be very careful not to encounter any problems.